Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can create QR code in Google Docs. There is no built-in QR code generator, but there are some ways how you can create this. You can either go to extensions, add-ons, and get add-ons, and here you're gonna type QR code, and you can find many different QR code generators, so you can try them as well. But in my case, I'm going to use the one on the browser. So I'm going to search for generate QR code in Google, and you're going to have also many different sites. I'm going to select this QR code monkey, and here you just need to paste your URL. So you want to go to your document, you want to click on this share icon. In the general access, you want to choose anyone with the link has access, then copy the link. Then you can go to QR Monkey. You can enter the URL of the document. You can change if you want the quality of the code. You can generate QR code then, and this is your code. So you can download this PNG file if you want. You need to wait. It's being generated. Now I can drag this into, let's say, this document, and this is the QR code. So this is how you can generate a QR code. Now you can click on this wrap text and then fix position on page, and you can move it wherever you want. So you can use this maybe for another document or something else, or you want to place this in the email or wherever you want. So if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.